Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your MyFitnessPal account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the MyFitnessPal app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like dashboard, log food, plans, and more. Under more, you can see a lot of options like my profile, intermittent fasting, sleep, other goals, progress, nutrition, meals, recipes, foods, etc. You have to scroll down and look for help option, which is usually in between privacy center and sync. Tap on help. Under help, you're gonna find delete account options, which is second last option from the screen. Tap on delete account, then you can see you have to enter your password to delete your account. If you don't enter your password and you've logged in using your Google account, just tap on connect with Google. I'm gonna type in my password there. I have my password saved, 2 pass keys. There you go. Now tap on delete account. Then on the screen you can see options saying if you are sure that you want to delete, tap on delete there. And it might take a few seconds, then your MyFitnessPal app account will be deleted. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete MyFitnessPal account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.